Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video we are going to see how to reset a Bosch Dishwasher Series 4 error code, meaning and factory reset instructions. To reset a Bosch Series 4 dishwasher, you can perform a soft reset by pressing and holding the start button for 3 to 4 seconds. This cancels the active cycle, clears minor glitches and forces the machine to draw any stagnant water. Now, how to perform a soft reset cycle cancel. Open the door to access the control panel if buttons are top mounted. Then press and hold the start/resume button labeled with reset 3 sec for 4 seconds. Now watch the display change to 0:01 or 000. Now close the door and wait 1 minute while the drain pump empties residual water. Then turn off the appliance using the on-off button once the draining stops. How to factory reset system settings. Open the door and hold the setup/info button for 3 seconds until H:0 appears on the display. Press the Speed Perfect Plus button repeatedly until RE appears on the screen. Then press the Start button once. The screen will display yes. Then press the Speed Perfect Plus button again to select it. Then press the Start button one last time to confirm and execute the factory reset. Common series error codes and meaning. If a soft reset does not resolve your problem, the machine is detecting a hardware fault. Refer to the troubleshooting matrix for common Bosch error codes. Error code, what it means, immediate action to take. E14, water filling system or flow meter fault. Check if the inlet water valve is fully open. E15, leakage protection/water in the base. Turn off the water tap. Water has stripped the floor float switch. E16/E17, water supply issue. Flow rate or pressure. Check for a kinked inlet hose or low water pressure. E19, detergent dispenser or internal valve failure. Requires a hard power cycle or service repair. E22, filters are heavily blocked. Remove, clean and rinse the main mesh filter array. E24/E25, drain pump blocked or missing cover. Clean out food waste from the drain pump impeller. Thank you for watching, and for more such informative videos, do like, share, and subscribe to our channel.